Okay, I know I look weird right now, but teeth are white, right? Yes. Okay, so I'm baking with Sacha's Buttercup, but this this look has been wildly requested, so I'm going to take my LA Girl blush collection in Glam. See that? And I'm going to take the bronzer, the brown one, and I'm going to put that in the crease. And I'm using our Duo Fiber blending brush. So this is going right into my crease. And this is to just to add some definition. You really don't have to. It's just to add some definition is all. So next I'm taking Color Envy Jordanna. It's waterproof. I don't know how much I have of this left, but I'm going to be lining. I'm going to be lining my eyes.
God bless. Praising God. I am YAAAOOOOW. We're praising God. Even I'm praising God. Praising God. All who answer the Lord Jesus Christ. Praising God. Jesus Christ. I'm gonna lead them. The sky where God is all I need. Tell them so we gonna live. Tell them Lord is all I need. We don't need them, we born away. Lord will go check way. I didn't pass and him the link and he don't check where we gonna live.
So I have to look up like this and wait for this to dry. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking MaryKay at Play Bold Fluid Liner in Gold Metal. So right now I'm just putting the same gold on the inside. I didn't do this for the video, the picture that I posted on Instagram, but as I was doing this eye look, I was like, I wonder how it looked on the inside, and I tried it and I actually pretty like how it looked. So now I'm going in same with the blush palette, the LA color blush palette, blush collection, and I'm going with that brown, and I'm putting that in my crease again. I believe I put this in my crease already because it looked like I had something in my crease. I don't know, it must be this one right here. So I'm just putting this in my crease, and this is just to kind of lay like a little base. Then I'm taking this little black book. This is the warm edition, and it is by Elf, and everything, as I said at the end of the video, is at Fontana Pharmacy, and you can shop fontanapharmacy.com, or you can go to any one of their 5 locations island-wide here in Jamaica. So I'm focusing that on the outside. As you know, I have hooded eyes, so I like to focus all my drama on the outside part of my eyes, and being that I'm doing a smoky eye, I wanted it to be a bit deeper on the outside. So I'm just finishing that up. Then I'm going in with the black, and I'm going in with the black because I wanted a bit some depth to this look, and I wanted everything that I used to be drugstore, everything, just to show you guys that you do not have to go expensive if you want an expensive look. You really don't, especially if you're not a professional makeup artist. There's no need to drop 40 bucks on a palette, you know what I mean? This is by Elf, and it's very inexpensive. Now I'm going to take that color, and that color is going to be going on my brow bone. So I'm just using it as to set my brow bone. So I like this color because it's kind of like an off yellow creamish kind of color, and I love those colors for my brow bone area. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but the brow bone color is not just going on my brow bone. I'm putting it a little bit below my brow bone to go on top of the eyeshadows on my crease. So I'm taking that color and I'm putting it everywhere else on my eyes. As you guys know, I love applying color in that little area of my eyes. I just feel like it finishes off the look, it brings the whole look together, and it also helps the outside color there to blend out some more. Oh God. So now I'm just cleaning up using Black Opal's Toast. So for my glow, I'm going to take this shimmery part here of the palette, tap off a bit. So for my blush, I took the pinky blush from the same palette, and for my glow, I went in with Iman After Glow again, and I used the gold one first, and then I used the orangey one after. I really have a feeling that nothing was being filmed, just no, nothing. So for my lips, I'm taking Rum Punch by Pink Princess Cosmetics. really nice kind of soft Arabic eyes, really natural Arabic eyes, these beautiful peach lips, and my glow, my blush, and everything is from the drugstore. Yes, honey, slay.
Our movements, I know we are that any good we do, I know we cause that. When you pray with story, do not give we no glory. Praise be to Jesus, the real author.